The White House may make another change to the tax code, but this one has a lot of people upset. It's reportedly a capital gains tax break that people feel that only the wealthy reportedly would feel. Alexis, what do we make of this? We just had Greg Valliere talk about this. He says, believe it or not, it could be likely ahead of the president's reelection bid.
Well, they can certainly try. I mean, the last time we saw something like this, and first, just to back up a moment, this would mean that profits on investments like stocks, bonds, real estate would be indexed to inflation. So the original purchase price, the tax would not have to be paid on appreciation tied to inflation. And many people see this as a tax break on the wealthy. It would not affect people who have their stock holdings in 401ks or IRAs. But the last time we saw something like this happen was George H.W. Bush's administration back in 1992. And his legal team looked into it and thought that it would not be legal for them to go ahead, because what President Trump wants to do here is move forward with the capital gains tax cut without Congress and actually have this become an executive order. So you can bet if he tries to do it, there will be legal challenges. So he may try right up until we go to the polls in 2020, but we might not know the outcome.
I suspect he will, but it's hard. You have to agree, I think, with some of the opponents to him doing this. This is very much would be beneficial to the wealthy. Keep in mind, the wealthy own about 86% of stocks, so this could be a potential huge windfall to them, and potentially the broader overall stock market.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's the other side of the coin, is that people like Larry Summers and Larry Kudlow,
they've been proponents of it.
Right, the economic advisor to Trump has been a big-time proponent of this, because he says this will actually boost investment. It'll free up billions of dollars, create jobs. And of course, that's all yet to be seen if that were to happen. But they actually argue that it would be stimulating to the economy.
Yeah, something to watch.